Fraud attempts rose sharply in 2025. Your accounts face more risk. TD's security dashboard puts every security alert and control in one place. See real-time sign-ins, device activity, and suspicious transactions instantly. Each alert includes a clear recommendation and a one-click response option. Customize notifications by email, text, or push so you stay informed. Built-in multi-factor and biometric options add strong layers of protection. Turning it on takes under a minute from your online banking settings. Live screen recordings show prioritized risks and suggested fixes in real time. Automatic monitoring runs 24/7 to catch patterns before they become fraud. The interface uses TD's branded palette with subtle motion and scribble accents. Manage trusted devices, freeze cards, and reset credentials all from one view. Protect your accounts now. Enable TD's security dashboard in online banking today.